Dracaena compacta. Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a beautiful and popular houseplant known as Dracaena compacta. If you're looking for a stylish and resilient plant for your home or office interior, be sure to watch this video until the end. Introduction. Dracaena compacta is one of the resilient plants that easily adapts to any climate and is considered one of the most popular houseplants. It has a very beautiful appearance with dense, dark green leaves that give this plant a special charm. The name of this plant is also derived from the way the leaves are arranged closely together. Dracaena compacta is one of the popular species in the Dracaena family. This plant is an ideal choice for indoor environments due to its dark green, neatly arranged leaves and low maintenance requirements. Dracaena compacta can bring new life to your living space and add beauty and freshness to your decor. Appearance. Dracaena compacta has dark green, glossy leaves that are densely packed and closely arranged along the plant's stem. These leaves grow vertically, giving the plant a sleek and minimalist appearance. The height of this plant usually ranges between 30 to 90 centimeters, making it suitable for both small and large spaces. Care conditions. Light Dracaena compacta requires indirect and low light. It can thrive in low light conditions, but it will grow better in medium to bright indirect light. Watering Dracaena compacta needs minimal watering. Allow the soil surface to dry out between waterings. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot. Soil. This plant prefers well-draining soil. You can use a potting mix combined with some perlite or sand to improve drainage. Humidity. Dracaena compacta does not require specific humidity levels and can grow well in the dry air of apartments. However, during hot and dry seasons, you can mist the leaves with water. Temperature. The ideal temperature for this plant is between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing the plant to extremely cold or hot temperatures. Nutrition and fertilization. Dracaena compacta grows slowly in home and apartment environments, therefore you can use a complete houseplant fertilizer on a monthly basis to support its growth. Propagation. Dracaena compacta is usually propagated through stem cuttings. To do this, cut a section of the plant's stem with a sharp knife and place it in water or moist soil until it roots. The best time to propagate this plant is during the spring or summer. Benefits of Dracaena compacta. Air purification. Dracaena compacta is capable of purifying the air and absorbing toxins, helping to keep the air in your home or office clean and fresh. Low maintenance. This plant requires little care, making it an excellent choice for those who do not have much time to take care of plants. Aesthetic appeal. The sleek and modern appearance of this plant's leaves can add a special touch to your interior decor. Pruning. Dracaena compacta responds very well to pruning. For instance, if you want to reduce the height of your Dracaena plant, simply trim the top stems. New clusters of leaves will then grow, giving the plant a denser appearance. After pruning, be mindful to remove any brown leaves that may appear due to insufficient light or overwatering. This will allow new healthy leaves to grow in their place. Toxicity. Dracaena is toxic and can have harmful effects if ingested. Symptoms of toxicity may include vomiting, nausea, weight loss, periodic hyperactivity, and dilated pupils. Therefore, keep it out of reach of children and pets, especially dogs and cats. Encouraging Dracaena to bloom. Dracaena is primarily known for its beautiful foliage, but it can also occasionally produce flowers. For example, Dracaena fragrans can produce small, fragrant, and colorful blooms. To encourage your Dracaena to flower, move the pot to a cool room without heating devices. If the weather outside is cool, you can also place it in the yard. Remember that the minimum cold temperature Dracaena can tolerate is 2 degrees Celsius, so make sure not to leave it in the cold for too long. Common issues in Dracaena care. Dracaena care involves addressing potential issues that may arise. While pests and diseases are rare for Dracaena, fluoride present in water can sometimes cause leaf yellowing or browning. In such cases, using distilled or rainwater for watering can help resolve the issue. These symptoms can also appear due to low humidity, so placing a layer of pebbles underneath the pot can help by absorbing excess water and creating a moist environment around the plant. Although this humidity effect is minimal, it can significantly benefit the plant. These are just some of the potential issues related to yellowing or browning of Dracaena leaves. Now, let's delve into these issues in more detail and explore the reasons behind leaf drop in Dracaena. What causes brown spots on Dracaena leaves? During Dracaena care, brown spots can appear on leaves due to various reasons, but inadequate watering is often the primary cause. Before discussing the specifics, let's clarify what we mean by brown spots on Dracaena leaves. This can manifest in 3 main ways. 1. Dry, brown spots on some leaves. 2. Brown tips on leaves. 3. Fine, brown spots surrounded by yellow stripes. Dracaena compacta is one of the best choices for indoor environments. With its easy care and beautiful appearance, it can make your living space more beautiful and healthier. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Also, share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Until the next video, have a great day and enjoy your plants.